Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your game version and platform because compatibility matters immediately. Once done, back up the entire Genshin folder and saves. Make sure to copy a full reinstall backup before touching any files. Next, download a reputable mod manager and extraction tool. Pause real-time antivirus to avoid blocked installs, but keep it ready to re-enable. You need these pieces in place to proceed safely and prevent corrupt saves. This is the foundation for everything that follows. Now you begin adding mods. Open your mod manager and import the mod packages, whether pack or zip, following the prompts to install into the game directory. Once imported, place any manual asset replacements into the game's asset folder, preserving folder structure and file names. This ensures the engine finds them. Then enable a single mod and launch the game to test, examine logs, and adjust load order in the manager. If a mod conflicts, isolating it quickly saves time and prevents cascading issues. Finish by locking a working mod profile. Export the manager profile and note game and mod versions so you can reproduce success. Once stable, re-enable your antivirus and run the game's integrity check to catch missing or altered files. This often fixes simple errors. If the game still crashes or misbehaves, revert to your backup, remove the last installed mod, and consult community reports for that mod. Frequently, others report fixes or required compatibility patches, which will get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.